invalid selector exception. So this will generally happen whenever there is some mistakes done by the developer. So we are the automation developers, right? So let me copy this and I'm going to create a new class, invalid selector exception demo. Select the main method, click on finish. So here I'm trying to find some element, driver dot find element by dot. Initially we have seen by dot, instead of tag name, let me take by dot xpath. So how to build the xpath for this div class display? So copy this display and do Control F and write double slash div and put square bracket at the rate class display, close the square bracket. So one of one is the element coming. So this is the xpath we have to write, and on this element I can use the get text method and it will return a string value. So string text equal to, and this value let me print on the console. First of all, I am writing a valid code, and this is going to work, and we can also quit the browser, driver.quit. So run as Java application. So you can see learn with Swaroop Nadella text is printed. Now what I will do, instead of the valid XPath, I will be missing one of the square bracket. I am missing one of the square bracket intentionally. I am doing some mistake in the XPath. So somewhere, anywhere you can do some mistake in the XPath and you are running the code one more time. At this time, the invalid selector exception will happen. You have to go back to the Eclipse to see that problem. So invalid selector exception. So invalid selector unable to locate the element with the XPath expression. So this is the expression because of some syntax error. There is a syntax error, failed to execute the evaluate method on the document. So this is what in the inside the JavaScript it is getting executed in the document after converting this XPath, but it is not able to evaluate, right? It is saying like fail to evaluate, execute and evaluate on the document. So this is what we can reproduce it this way. So whenever we are doing mistake in the XPath, this problem will happen. So this example, I have done the mistake in the XPath. XPath is missing, closing the square bracket. So I have opened the bracket here, but I did not close here intentionally. At that time, the invalid selector exception will happen. And one more case also, this problem will happen. So I'm copying this one more time. Let me comment out. And for CSS selector also, you can able to see this by dot CSS selector. And I'm going to build the CSS selector for this one more time. Div dot display. So tag name dot class name we have to do. This is going to work. Initially, let's execute and check whether it works or not. So you can see the CSS selector is also working, and here instead of one dot, what I will do, I will be putting two dots. Let me put two dots and execute it. Run as Java application. So if you go back, you can see that invalid selector exception is coming. So an invalid illegal selector was specified. So we are specifying an illegal CSS selector, right? CSS selector syntax is tag name dot class name, but I'm giving double dot here. If whenever we are doing some mistakes, this problem will happen. So here tag name dot class name. If you are using ID, tag name hash ID we have to do. So tag name hash ID we are doing, right? Maybe instead of giving one hash, you are specifying two hash. Whenever the display, suppose it is an ID, you are thinking the display is an ID, then you have to specify hash, right? Single hash, but you are giving double hash. Even at that time, you will see the invalid selector exception. So whenever you do mistake with the XPath or CSS selector also, this invalid selector exception will happen, and we need to correct our mistake. Most of the time this problem will happen because of the automation testers will be doing mistakes, right? So you have to correct your mistakes in this case. So here CSS selector is having double dot. So instead of the hash, we are checking for the double dot just for testing this exception. So you need to correct your problem mistakes in order to resolve this. So if you go back, invalid selector exception is coming. So this way you have to observe and you have to correct the problem. So this is invalid. So mistakes in the XPath or CSS selector syntax. So mostly these are syntax problems. So syntax errors